guys, my name is KHUSHAL and welcome back to my tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you what is Omegle and how to use Omegle.com. So before starting our video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure to turn on the post notification so you can get my latest uploads. So what you'll do is open your favorite browser and go and search on your browser Omegle.com and click enter. So what this website do is you can just find people to chat online like text or video call. So you can say 16,000 plus online now. You can just select. You can say what is your in the text. You can just go ahead for for example boys. I have written girls boys and I will just with beautiful girls. Let's see and click enter. This will be your Omegle text to find people's. So for video call example this one. Okay, so please click over here to unblock this setting. So what you do is for over your webcam, you can just click over it for laptop camera or computer camera whatever. And for disable, you can just simply do this. You can see over here. And for automatic, you can see over here. If somebody cut the calls, so this will automatically just go away. You can see. And for example, so stopping, you can see. And wait a second, guys. If somebody will cut your call, it will automatically connect to another one. You can see hi. And you just simply find people to chat with. I'm the wrong nigga. Because it is boy. And for stopping, you can see over here, uncheck this box right over here. So it will stop filing automatically. Like you can understand, like you have to click over here. Yeah, you can just uncheck that box. So you can just simply find people. That's all. That's how this website works. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And till then, I will see you next time. Peace out. Bye friends.